Hi there. Have you ever thought about starting your own e-commerce business? Imagine a world where you can reach millions of customers from the comfort of your home, where your store operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without geographical boundaries. That's the magic of e-commerce. E-commerce offers limitless potential and a plethora of advantages. It allows you to start small, with minimal upfront investment and scale at your own pace. It's a realm that's constantly evolving, with new trends and technologies emerging every day, offering opportunities for innovation and growth. The beauty of e-commerce lies in its global reach. Your products can be accessed by customers from around the world, opening up avenues for international business. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech wizard or have a fat bank account to start. All you need is a good plan, some research, and the willingness to learn. The e-commerce world is ready to welcome your new venture. Are you ready to dive in? Before you dive in, you need a plan, a map to navigate the e-commerce seas. The first stop on your journey is market research. This is like casting a wide net to understand who your customers are, what they want, and how they behave online. To do this, you can use tools like Google Trends, keyword planners, and social media analytics. Remember, your goal is to find a group of customers who are passionate, engaged, and willing to spend money. Next, you need to choose a niche. This is like finding your own little island in the vast ocean of e-commerce. It's important to choose a niche that's profitable, but also something that you're passionate about. It's like finding the perfect beach. The sand is golden, profitable, but it's also a place you love, passion. Now let's talk about business models. There's dropshipping, where you sell products that someone else makes and ships. It's like being a middleman on a trade route between the manufacturer and the customer. Then there's private labeling, which is like setting up your own little factory on your island. You create your own brand of products and sell them to customers. Each model has its pros and cons, so consider your resources, skills, and risk tolerance when choosing. Remember, planning is all about gathering information and making informed decisions. It's like charting your course before you set sail. Without a plan, you might end up lost at sea, drifting aimlessly without a destination. But with a plan, you're steering your ship with purpose, heading towards your chosen island, ready to stake your claim and set up shop. So, keep your compass handy, your map at the ready, and your eyes on the horizon. It's time to embark on your e-commerce journey. With a solid plan and a clear niche, you're ready to make your mark in the e-commerce world. Now that you've got your plan, it's time to make it a reality. Let's start with choosing your business model. You've got options from dropshipping to private labeling and beyond. Each comes with its own set of pros and cons. Dropshipping, for instance, requires less capital upfront but gives you less control over your products. On the other hand, private labeling allows you to build a unique brand, but it demands more investment. The key is to choose a model that aligns with your resources, goals, and risk tolerance. Once you've settled on a business model, it's time to navigate the maze of legal considerations. Registering your business is a crucial first step. This establishes your business as a legal entity, providing protection and credibility. Remember, the process varies depending on your location and business structure, so do your homework or consider seeking professional help. Now, on to taxes. E-commerce businesses have unique tax obligations, so it's essential to understand your responsibilities. You'll likely need to collect sales tax on products sold, but the specifics depend on where you're based and where your customers are located. Again, when in doubt, consult a tax professional. Okay, you've got your business model, your business is registered, and you're on top of your tax obligations. What's next? Your domain name and branding. Your domain name is your address on the internet, so make it memorable and relevant to your brand. Speaking of your brand, it's far more than just a logo. It's your business's personality, its promise to your customers. So, invest time in creating a brand that resonates with your target audience and sets you apart from the competition. With your business set up, the world is ready to see what you have to offer. Scene script. An e-commerce business needs a home. Your website is that home. Choosing the right platform to build your e-commerce website is like choosing the best location for a brick-and-mortar store. You want a platform that's easy to navigate, flexible to your needs, and capable of growing with your business. Some of the popular choices include Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. Each comes with its own set of advantages and features that cater to different business needs. Researching and comparing these platforms will help you select the best fit for your business. Once you've chosen your platform, it's time to set up your online store. This is where you'll design the layout, choose your theme, and customize your store's appearance. Remember, your website is the digital face of your business, so it's crucial that it reflects your brand accurately. It should be visually appealing, easy to navigate, and provide a seamless shopping experience for your customers. Now let's talk about product listings and descriptions. This is where you get to showcase what you're selling. Each product should have a clear, high-quality image accompanied by a compelling description. Your descriptions should not only provide necessary information like price, size, or material, but also tell a story. Make your product descriptions engaging and persuasive. Highlight the benefits and the problem your product solves. This is your chance to convince your visitors that they need your product. Finally, remember to keep your website and product listings updated. Regularly adding new products or updating existing ones keeps your store fresh and gives your customers a reason to keep coming back. It also helps with search engine optimization, making your store more visible on search engines like Google. With a well-built website, you're ready to welcome customers from all over the world. Your customers need to feel safe and secure when they shop with you. When it comes to payments, diversity is key. Offer a variety of payment methods, credit and debit cards, mobile wallets, or even cryptocurrencies. This not only caters to customer preferences but also enhances the overall shopping experience. But what's equally important is ensuring secure transactions. You see, trust is the currency of e-commerce. Integrating reliable payment gateways that encrypt transaction details can help protect sensitive data from being intercepted by hackers. But that's not all. Securing your e-commerce site is crucial too. How do you do that? Invest in an SSL certificate. This creates a secure connection between the user's web browser and your site, keeping customer information safe. You might also consider additional security measures like two-factor authentication or firewall protection. With a secure payment system, you're ready to do business with confidence. Your business is set up, your website is live. Now it's time to let the world know you're here. The world of e-commerce is vast, but with the right marketing strategies, you can make your mark. First up, social media marketing. With billions of users worldwide, platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok are your gateway to potential customers. Craft engaging content, tell your brand's story, and connect with your audience. Next, search engine optimization, or SEO. This is the art of making your website visible to search engines, leading to higher rankings, more visibility, and ultimately, more traffic. Optimize your product listings and website content with relevant keywords to make your e-commerce store stand out in search results. Finally, email marketing. This isn't just about sending out newsletters, it's about building relationships with your customers, keeping them informed about new products, offers, and more. With a solid marketing plan, your e-commerce business is ready to soar. Fulfillment and customer service are the heart of any e-commerce business. Your chosen fulfillment method, whether in-house or via third-party logistics, will determine how efficiently your products reach your customers. In-house fulfillment gives you control, but requires more effort. Third-party logistics can be a time saver, yet it places your customer's experience in someone else's hands. Managing inventory effectively is also crucial. It's a balancing act. Too much inventory can tie up your funds, too little can lead to stockouts and missed sales. Then there's customer service, the face of your business. Providing excellent customer service keeps customers coming back. This includes handling returns professionally, responding to inquiries promptly, and accepting feedback graciously. Remember, the customer's perception is your reality. So strive to exceed their expectations every time with every product. With a strong fulfillment and customer service strategy, your e-commerce business is set for success. Starting an e-commerce business might seem daunting, but with these steps, you're well on your way. We've journeyed together through the key phases of starting an online business. Remember, planning and research are your best friends. Knowledge about your target market and a well-chosen niche can set you up for success. Setting up your business involves careful thought around the business model, legal aspects, and branding. Building your e-commerce website is next, with careful selection of the platform, setting up your online store, and crafting compelling product listings. Don't forget the importance of secure payment gateways and robust security measures. Marketing your business effectively, whether through social media, SEO, or email marketing, is vital. Finally, handling order fulfillment and providing excellent customer service will ensure that your customers keep coming back. Now it's your turn. Start your e-commerce journey today. The world awaits your unique offerings.